If you're interested in the well-being of people around you, the first and foremost thing is you must keep yourself well, otherwise you will become a problem yourself. If you want to be a solution for a lot of things, first thing is you're not the problem. Physically, mentally, in any sense, you are not the problem, only then you can attend to things around you. Otherwise, with good intentions, you'll mess up the world. Believe me, good intentions have caused more horrible things on the planet than bad intentions. People have very good intentions, but they're a mess. The more they do, the more mess they will cause. Most of the mess on the planet has happened with good intentions. Right now we are in an ecological mess. It's happened with good intention or bad intention? With good intention, isn't it? They thought they're doing a great thing, but in the end result is something else. So like this, at everything it is so, just your good intentions will not do. It's very important, before you touch somebody else, your hands are clean. That much you must take care. That if you cannot solve somebody's problem, what to do, it's all right. But you touching them should not become a problem. So, to address the basic aspect of your question, which is how do you live in the moment? I'm asking you, please live somewhere else and show me for 1 minute. Can you? Can you live somewhere else? Then why such a question?
But you're mentally somewhere else, even if you're…
No, mentally you're not somewhere else. You're here and thinking about something. So, you need to understand this. It took millions of years of evolution to get you to this level of cerebral activity. Now you're suffering your cerebral activity. Somebody is teaching you, don't think about yesterday, don't think about tomorrow, just be here in the moment. What they're telling you is, rewind the evolutionary process, become like an earthworm. Yes, of course, an earthworm is eco-friendly creature, which human beings are not, unfortunately. But it took millions of years of evolutionary work. I want you to just imagine, from a single-celled amoeba to you, the most complex creature on this planet, take an enormous amount of work, isn't it? You think it was all wrong? Hello? You think it was all wrong? So the problem is just this, you have a very sophisticated machine in the form of human mechanism. The simple question is, have you read the user's manual? User's manual? No. How is that? When will you read it? When you're 80 years of age? I know it's a long way for you, but when will you read it? You must make up your mind. See, suppose you buy a phone, do you want to read the user's manual within the first 3 days after you bought it, or after 3 years when you're discarding the phone? When you want to read it? In the very beginning, at the earliest possible time, isn't it? So right now the problem is just this. This is a very sophisticated machine. You have made no effort to know this. Without knowing this, you want to live in this and drive through the world in this, so it's a disaster, all right? You want to know everything about the universe, you don't want to know anything about this, so you're paying the price. You know where galaxy number 64 is, but you don't know where the hell you are, you're asking, how can I be in the moment? Simply, information is very deceptive. Information is very deceptive. You have information about that galaxy, this galaxy, you think you know it. No, we don't know it, we just read it in the book, all right? But this is reality, existentially you're true, isn't it? Humans know everything about this because this is you. You don't know that galaxy, that's another matter. If you wish, you can know. But you must know this because everything that you experience through this, isn't it? Do you see me right now? Where? Right here. Now, this light is falling upon me, reflecting, going through your lenses, inverted image in the retina. You know the whole story. Where do you see me right now? Within yourself. Where do you hear me right now? Within yourself. Suppose suddenly I become blurry and hazy, you think something wrong with me or with your vision? So, right now, this is all the problem with the world. Your vision is blurry and you think there's something wrong with everything in the universe. No, it's your question of your perception, your ability to think, your ability to emote, your ability to hold your balance. This is yours. This is not the world's business. Hello? This is not the world's business. Somebody freaks there, you freak within yourself. Whose business is it? It's your business. We are making a problem out of everything. See, never before, materially, physically, life has been as good as it's today. Hello? But this generation has become the most whining generation ever on the planet. Small things, big things, everything whining, simply because they're taking such strong positions on everything. There is… youth means you must be open. You've not taken any position in your life yet.
Yes.
The best thing about youth, being youthful is, you're not too conceited, you've not taken a position, you don't belong to this or that, you're open. That is the best part of being youthful. But today I see people have taken strong positions about everything in the world. Once you take such positions, you will naturally create huge problems in your mind. What for are you taking such positions? This is a time to explore, this is a time to learn, this is a time to come to a broader level of understanding and perception. This is not a time to take positions, I'm this or that. They've even… by the time they're 18, they belong to some political party. It should not be so. Till you get out and find your way in the world, till then you must just soak up as much life as possible. Just see tomorrow what really works and you support that, what works for you and for everybody around you. Taking strong positions, the moment you take strong positions, the openness of your mind is lost. Once your mind is not open, suffering is inevitable. How else it'll be?